If you have a skill that's in demand, you can become an online freelancer. With the changes to the world's economy, more and more people are becoming freelancers and making good money from the comfort of their own home. You need a computer or a tablet and internet connection to become a freelancer. There are a lot of companies and individuals looking for people with the right skills to outsource projects to. Here are some of the most popular freelancing skills: content writing, copywriting, writing code, website design, graphic design, website development, video creation, social media marketing, and website troubleshooting, problems with WordPress, etc. This is by no means an exhaustive list. There are many other freelancing skills in demand, such as translation, proofreading and editing, and so on. If you're new to the concept of freelancing, we have an excellent guide for those who want to become a freelancer. But how do you find work as a freelancer? There are a number of websites you can join to pick up projects for the freelancing skills you have. There are two main types of platforms, which are gig-based platforms and job-based platforms. With gig-based platforms, you'll post a gig and then tell potential customers what you can offer them and for how much. So maybe you're a content writer and you can write a high-quality article of 500 words and you charge $15 for this. The most popular gig-based website out there is Fiverr.com. This started out a few years back and everything was capped at $5. People would create gigs explaining what they would do for $5. Now, freelancers can charge a lot more for their Fiverr gigs. Another popular gig platform is peopleperhour.com. This is used by companies and individuals in the United Kingdom, but now people from all over the world use this website. It works in a similar way to Fiverr in that freelancers can post gigs known as hourlies, and they can be purchased by people looking to have work done. The job platforms operate in a different way. Companies will post jobs or projects, and then freelancers who have the required skills will send proposals to the customer explaining why they would be a great fit for the job. The customer then chooses the most favorable proposal, and then the work starts. Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and Guru.com are the three most popular job platforms for freelancers. There are others too, and some specialize in specific tasks such as writing or computer coding. This all sounds great, right? Just let potential customers know what you're about and how you can help them and you'll just get work on these job platforms? Not quite. There's a great deal of competition on all of these freelancing platforms. To sell gigs or win jobs, you need to know what you're doing. We have some excellent courses that'll show you what to do step by step to maximize your chances of getting regular work from these freelance platforms. Go ahead and check those out. No marketable skills? No problem. If you don't believe you have any marketable skills for freelancing, don't worry. We have a series of skill-oriented tutorials that'll help you develop skills which you can then trade in for a premium. Some of the most marketable skills we cover include from WordPress wannabe to guru, all things web, video creation and editing, copywriting, graphic design and programming, social media marketing, and more. So if earning money online as a freelancer interests you, then check out the training that we have to offer to ensure that you maximize your chances of success.